Number 1. Keeping a dog inside the house, halal or haram? The answer is haram. Number 2. Owning a dog for protection, halal or haram? Answer is halal. Number 3. Touching a dog while praying, halal or haram? Answer is haram. Number 4. Using dogs in farming or hunting, halal or haram? Answer is halal. Number 5. Letting a dog sleep in your bed, halal or haram? Answer is haram. Number 6. Feeding a dog with clean food, halal or haram? Answer is haram. Number 7. Entering a mosque with a dog, halal or haram? Answer is haram. Number 8. Having a guide dog for blind people, halal or haram? Answer is halal. Number 9. Training dogs for police work, halal or haram? Answer is halal. Number 10. Allowing a dog to lick your hand, halal or haram? Answer is haram. Number 11. Keeping puppies inside the house, halal or haram? Answer is haram. Number 12. Playing fetch with a dog, halal or haram? Answer is halal. Number 13. Letting a dog enter the kitchen, halal or haram? Answer is haram. Number 14. Using dogs for therapy and emotional support. Answer is halal. Number 15. Washing clothes touched by dogs, halal or haram? Answer is halal. Number 16. Walking dogs in public parks, halal or haram? answer is halal. Number 17. Allowing dogs to enter your prayer room, halal or haram? Answer is haram. Number 18. Bathing and grooming dogs, halal or haram? The answer is halal. 19. Traveling with dogs on planes, halal or haram? Answer is halal. Number 20. Kissing dogs on the face, halal or haram? Answer is haram. 21. Training dogs for resources operation, halal or haram? The answer is halal. 22. Letting a dog drink from your cup, halal or haram? Answer is haram. 23. Spending too much money on dogs, halal or haram? Answer is haram. 24. Respecting dogs as Allah's creatures, halal or haram? The answer is halal. 25. Keeping dogs only for fashion and show, halal or haram? Answer is haram. 26. Allowing dogs inside the car, halal or haram? Answer is halal. 27. Using dog images in home decoration, halal or haram? Answer is haram. 28. Donating money to dogs shelters, halal or haram? The answer is halal.